All right, welcome back everybody. My name's Austin. Today I want to give you the top 7 cryptocurrencies that I feel have massive potential into 2021. And I am not a certified financial advisor. I can't see the future, so do your own research before investing. But as we go through this list and you see something that you like, scroll down, leave a comment, give me your opinion down below in the comment section. Check the timestamps down below in the description, and let's jump in to coin number 1 in my portfolio, but making number 7 on today's list, Bitcoin. Listen to the CEO of PayPal on national television, this just took place this morning, articulate why Bitcoin is valuable, why PayPal chose to implement on-ramps on their app for Bitcoin, and why looking into 2021 in terms of merchant adoption, Bitcoin's just getting started. Watch this.
We have watched the run-up in value of Bitcoin since you made that announcement, the idea of it being adopted much more globally, and the view, I think, that other rivals of yours and others in the financial community are going to be coming in at some point behind you. We'll see whether they do. But let me just ask you just straight up about the value proposition of Bitcoin, because a lot of people say, what is its true value? What is the inherent value of Bitcoin? How do you value it? I know you own some yourself. How do you value it?
Yeah. Well, I think all forms of money are based on trust and set values that come from that trust. I think if you take a step back, Andrew, especially with the pandemic, you've seen the use of cash decline precipitously. Something like 40 to 70% of consumers no longer want to handle cash. And just like every industry is digitizing right now, that is also happening in the financial services world. There is no question that people are flocking to digital payments and digital forms of currency. And one of the things that we looked at, and we talked to regulators around the world, central banks around the world, and it became clear to me that it's a matter of, not if, but when and how you'll start to see more and more central banks issue forms of digital currencies. And I think you'll have more and more utility happen with cryptocurrencies. One of the things that we allowed is not just making it easy to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies, but very importantly, early next year, we're going to allow cryptocurrencies to be a funding source for any transaction happening on all 28 million of our merchants. And that will significantly bolster the utility of cryptocurrencies.
Wow. I think you can see where adoption is trending. And government currencies aren't going away, he'll tell you. But Bitcoin is the only currency that there's a fixed supply. It cannot be debased, and it is controlled by the people. There's value there. Bitcoin today makes our list at number 7. Next piece of news, Polkadot comes in at number 6. Polkadot is now the most popular network for staking. Nearly $3 billion worth of DOT are at stake. And another way to say this, that figure means that DOT token holders have deposited $3 billion worth of funds with Polkadot validators for earning passive income. And DOT is a governance token for the Polkadot ecosystem, and that ecosystem continues to grow. Whether it's DeFi applications, non-fungible tokens being built on top, or bridges for interoperability in cryptocurrency, Polkadot's a dApp platform, and it is number 1 in most biggest popularity for staking. Cardano follows Polkadot as the second most popular network with $1.79 billion worth of ADA staked, and then Tezos and EOS are ranked 3rd and 4th by staking value, each having roughly $1.4 billion within their networks. Now, as this changes, as we update this information, I will be on the lookout. I will make a video the minute we get more information. Okay, moving forward to coin number 5 on today's list. You know it has potential, Ethereum / Ethereum 2.0. We need over 5,000 Ethereum staked in the deposit contract. So right now we are 74.3% there. Now what I didn't realize is that even though the launch is happening on December 1st, all 100% of the deposits needs to happen at least 7 days before or by tomorrow at 12 UTC. So what this means to you as an Ethereum holder is that this needs to fill up to 100% by tomorrow. So we'll see. As we get that information, I'll let you know. And if you want more information on Ethereum in its journey to $10,000 per coin, check out our full video on Ethereum dropped yesterday. Link down below in the description. But Ethereum is number 5. Coming in at number 4 with our next piece of news, Yearn Finance. Wi-Fi token reclaims 20K per Wi-Fi as Yearn Finance governance approves token buyback. So the community has spoken. What does this mean to you? And first off, what is Yearn Finance? Basically, it's an automated protocol that maximizes your annual percentage yields, APYs, of cryptos deposited in DeFi. So with Yearn Finance specifically, it automatically moves user funds between DeFi and lending protocols like Aave, DYDX, Compound to maximize your return. So in a world where both DeFi and yield farming are only growing more popular, Yearn Finance is shaping up to be one of the major contenders. Now, what is Yearn Finance Improvement Proposal 54? Well, according to YIP 54, listed on its official website, the upgrade allows community members to quarterly audit expenses related to hackathons, security audits, grants, bug bounties, and wages. So quarterly audits to make the governance more transparent to the community. I like that. And also YIP 54 also enables a newly formed operations fund to buy back Wi-Fi or other assets at its discretion. The proposal intends to allot more utility features to Wi-Fi, thereby making it an attractive investment. And some perspective from angel investor Jason Chow. In my honest opinion, YIP 54 is a better model than buy and burn, as it, 1, introduces actual buy demand for the token and ties the value of the platform to the value of the token, and 2, creates skin in the game for contributors as part of the operations funds. So Wi-Fi still implementing. Give me your thoughts down below. Okay, next piece of news making our list at number 3 today, Cardano. The inventor of Cardano revealed that there will be 2 more major updates in late November and during December, as well as a roadmap reveal will be set for the next year. So what are the updates? Hoskinson indicated that more staff has recently been hired, as well as more strategic investments have recently been made with a close collaboration with runtime verifications for the launch of K and Yella. So Yella is what Cardano holders are waiting for. And what is Yella? Yella is also known as IELE and is a virtual machine VM, and it can be used by developers to create dApps in any popular programming software, and once completed, use Yella to convert and run it. So if you're excited for dApps to be built on the Cardano blockchain and the ecosystem around Cardano to start growing, this is what you need. Plus, having support for Solidity, Ethereum's native programming language, Yella will be the perfect component to convert dApps from Ethereum to Cardano. So obviously Ethereum's virtual machine works fine right now, but earlier when the IOHK CEO compared Ethereum's virtual machine to Yella, he said that the latter would make the Ethereum virtual machine look like a toy. So Cardano is making moves. Let me know what you think. Before we get to coin number 2, a 60-second word from our sponsor, Blockfi. Blockfi offers traditional banking services to crypto investors. So basically, you can put your crypto to work, earn up to 8.6% APY with a Blockfi interest account. So you can earn some passive compounding interest on your cryptocurrency every month. And if you sign up with our link below right now, you can get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more in crypto. And question, is it secure, or how secure is it? Well, they have backing from some of the biggest names in custody in crypto, backing from Coinbase Ventures, Winklevoss Capital, Morgan Creek Digital. So of course, along with security, their focus is trust and transparency, but also they comply with all state and federal regulations. So you can feel good. You can earn interest on your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or your vast number of stablecoins, including Tether, Gemini Dollar, USDC, up to 8.6% APR. So a vast array of options. Again, link down below. Get up to $250 in a crypto bonus with your first deposit. And next coin on today's list is Ripple's XRP. Now, personally, I have never invested, but when they make news, I'll tell you about it. Ripple has just launched a push to make the XRP ledger an integral part of the CBDC central bank digital currency movement. Check this out. They are officially looking to hire a senior director of central bank engagements, basically to make sure XRP would hopefully be involved with this creation of CBDCs. Ripple is looking for a proven leader to lead our strategy, partnerships, and project work with central banks around the world, with an initial focus on supporting their central bank digital currency initiative on the XRP ledger. So what this means, besides obviously partnerships, is according to Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, they want central banks to consider using the XRP ledger to issue stablecoins. Now, thus far, we've seen a lot of these central banks use Ethereum to issue these stablecoins, some even Tezos to issue these stablecoins. Ripple wants in on the action. I'll keep you updated. Let's drive this home. The number one coin, actually with a tie between two, making today's list are Synthetics and Chainlink. Because as we recently reported, S-Oil and I-Oil are now live on Synthetics, powered by Chainlink. So in one of the most powerful examples of decentralized finance, you're now able to trade real-world assets in a decentralized manner. S-Oil is a synthetic asset that mirrors the price movements of oil using a Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. And the difference between the two versions is S-Oil will enable users to capture a long position, while I-Oil will enable users to capture a short position. It is available on Synthetics Exchange and can be traded for any synth with infinite liquidity and zero slippage. Here is a good diagram on how it works. And now that this is viable with oil, it can be used with other large futures markets such as corn, wheat, coffee, and more. So the decentralized trading world is growing, powered right now by Synthetics and Chainlink, some of the top two. That is the video. My name's Austin. See you tomorrow.